Welcome to wpi.edu/listen, your go-to audio news and podcasts for all things Worcester Polytechnic Institute. After you've listened in, check out our other episodes and dive deep into the exciting news stories shaping the WPI community. Tuesday, June 2, 2026. New CellTech Institute at WPI expands workforce training in biotechnology and biomanufacturing. Federal, state, and industry partners celebrate new Center for Education and Innovation. A corner laboratory in Goddard Hall is now home to one of Worcester Polytechnic Institute's, WPI, newest offerings in biotechnology workforce development. The newly launched CellTech Institute, supported by a $731,000 grant from the Massachusetts Life Sciences Center, MLSC, will provide students with hands-on experience using advanced technologies that are shaping the future of biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and biomedical research. CellTech Institute was officially unveiled during a ribbon-cutting ceremony, June 1, 2026, attended by university and MLSC leaders, industry partners, and students. The facility is designed to equip secondary and post-secondary students with practical training in cell culture, drug discovery, laboratory automation, and advanced technologies used to study biological systems. The Institute's curriculum was developed to address growing workforce needs across the life sciences sector by preparing students with industry-relevant technical skills while introducing them to emerging tools such as automated laboratory workflows, artificial intelligence-driven data analysis, and modern experimental design. Life sciences, biomedical engineering, manufacturing, and biotechnology are advancing at an extraordinary pace. As new technologies emerge and therapies become increasingly sophisticated, the need for a highly skilled workforce continues to grow, said WPI President Grace Wong. At WPI, we provide highly immersive experiential education and industry-connected research experiences that prepare students to lead in these rapidly evolving sectors. The future of the life sciences industry will be shaped by a highly skilled workforce with experience in the cutting-edge equipment that is driving scientific breakthroughs today, said MLSC President and CEO Kirk Taylor, MD. CellTech Institute provides students with valuable hands-on training and direct access to emerging technologies that will help them succeed in a rapidly evolving industry while addressing the growing demand for talent across the Commonwealth's life sciences ecosystem. We are proud to support WPI's efforts in preparing the next generation of industry leaders. CellTech Institute is directed by Robert Dembski, Professor of Chemistry and Biochemistry, who sees the facility as a unique intersection of education, research, and workforce preparation. It's a fascinating opportunity to advance workforce development while also supporting education and research, said Dembski. The technology in this facility is beyond the leading edge. Integrating life sciences with robotics and automation creates exciting opportunities to accelerate innovation and ultimately advance medicine. The future of the life sciences industry will be shaped by a highly skilled workforce with experience in the cutting-edge equipment that is driving scientific breakthroughs today, said MLSC President and CEO Kirk Taylor, MD. CellTech Institute provides students with valuable hands-on training and direct access to emerging technologies that will help them succeed in a rapidly evolving industry while addressing the growing demand for talent across the Commonwealth's life sciences ecosystem. We are proud to support WPI's efforts in preparing the next generation of industry leaders. Fellow graduate student Vita Gandam was equally impressed by the facility and its capabilities. "Wow, with a capital W," Gandam said. "I've worked in several research labs, and CellTech Institute is incredibly advanced. Anyone working in biotechnology or biomedical research would immediately recognize the sophistication of the equipment and technologies available here." Among the first students to train in the new laboratory are participants in the NIMBL Experience Program, an all-expenses-paid summer immersion program that introduces community college and undergraduate students to careers in biomanufacturing and the biopharmaceutical industry. WPI is serving as the Northeast Regional host site for this year's program, welcoming a cohort of 15 students from across the country. The National Institute for Innovation in Manufacturing Biopharmaceuticals, NIIMBL, selected WPI, in part because of the university's unique emphasis on robotics and automation within a biomanufacturing environment. Each NIIMBL site has a different focus, said Megan Argo of NIIMBL. Some programs concentrate on areas like big data, but here at WPI, students are learning about robotics in industrial and biomanufacturing settings. None of our other sites is currently doing that. Being able to incorporate the latest approaches being adopted across the industry makes this a particularly exciting experience for students. By combining advanced laboratory technologies with hands-on, industry-focused learning, CellTech Institute positions WPI at the forefront of biotechnology workforce development, while helping prepare the next generation of researchers, technicians, and innovators for careers in one of the nation's fastest-growing sectors.